Ray makeup da achi wi khamataya pawping TNL Green Day mayon da pobi khling maram lilang san haira Kachiko district level shuri kuso phanit mayon haira Mission Organic Value Chain Department with Direct Benefit Transfer hapok haira Lekhangator achu the Tangkhul Express we pau Ringphawon Zimik in the Pamidalay pau ping may sa ay nanganangrom sa Tangkhul nagalong na Green Day kamayon ay nang so da popi lui khwa maramle ngasan khawai consultation workshop rungmi haira Rani ji Tangkhul nagalong holle khwikada long nawe kathana ping NGOs CSOs pastors political parties we kathana ping kuchung khana wangroma Session khani aina khaida session khareli Green Day observation wi maramle ukrul wi DFO shangam shelle aina kamjong DFO SWC sana kasat sangmia Shorgar wi mawa kusung mung kusung khawachina mapan nga sakhaya sa kha itum psycho razangda pha khamai ji pha khuida otsawasa kala forest department manglila majhana ya sa kaji hi shangam shelle na hangsanga Ngohong hi shiman ka hai tharan mikumo mang maningla environment ecosystem katonga shiri shira sayur vayur wan shivar thingrong higatha hi sajasiar hauda mathada nga khuisa gji hi suisa na hangsanga pobi lui khwa maramle ayenna khi hangmamai gji maramle DIG IPS warngam ningshengna matuimia ek khani NDPS Act 1985 PITS NDPS Act 1989 hili phaisin laga popi lingasang la popi we otsin psycho ra ayana mamaya mana kachi mathingrik aina kapi haidalai kala chili matung makanda kasawe tandila leya kachi hi hangji theya DDA we director Ungram Than Shongjan na creation care we pongle vareshi we shong aina matuimia varena awi themsa katongali lesia Mathaya gji hi hangda varewi themsak kathada mayonra gji maramli matuimia Green Day khamayon we amachut sada kathana pingchina thingrong lingsang hairang Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region Phase Kakatuma Wivang Horticulture Department li mingjan kahai Farmers Direct Benefit Transfer aya Chief Minister N Biren Singh na hapok mi hairang MOVCDNER Phase Kakatuma we azingli farmers thing magada phanga leida khalena kala direct benefit transfer ji aya farmers thing thrada chi shod wiwang hapo khamina MOVCDNER li changda khleji agriculture department wili thing shini horticulture department wili thing thrada chi shod mingchan sahaidale horticulture aina soil conservation director Honey Chara Moma we officers pingla ranye jiliwa zanga direct benefit transfer ji farmer avavule lupa thingthrada akha shakhani hangphanga sangkhamina installment ka khaneli lupa thingkuthum shashini hangphanga sangmi farada hanga aya we ranye jili Chief Minister N Biren Singh na maso asada khamutwili organic farming chong maing raida khleli kakatom phongshoka Farmers psycho na organic farming ni ningsangda shorgana hotnada khle chingum phangawe alungri Manipur hi organic state ngasa khwai kasale kagatomi lo da Chief Minister N Biren Singh na hanga Chemical har shikajingwe magapha itumi phasali sagze maramli la Chief Minister na hangda organic farming wiwang organic har sem gukhila masak manada kasat sanga The Lui Kangarum SSG Federation DKS HGF Namakok Mida Kachiko District Level Shuri Kuso Panit Ajontang Mayon Hera Hangdak Lehi Tului Hanam Aragazang Chanamwi Panit Kamayona Rani J Tului Kwikada Punger MLA Lesio Keshina Hapok Mia Tului Headman S Akai ex ADC member Somi Mayor Aungshi Kala Kapangbam Zimik DKS HGF Chairperson Ngunung Lei Vashum Federation with member being pastors Kala Ramwi Kathana Bing Lavazanga MLA Lesio na Kamatuili, Tangkhul Khung Ping Horticulture Agriculture Wiaina, Kamachut, Sampang Kahai Maramle Hangda, Siraru Kongwi Hate, Chatrik Sivate, Nambashi Yonchak, Kachai Chambra, Taluwi Hanam Aragazang, Shuri Kuso, Hikatatha Hilayada Hangsanga. Organic Chanam Mathada Lingsang Kawai, Kasat Sangda, Shorgana Kamili, Jihan Laga, Malingla Kalada Kangarin Mirin, Ringphawon MLA Lesiona Kasat Sanga. Taluwi Shuri Guso Paniti 2012 Yaina Hagupogna. Kala Taluwi Hanam Aragazang Shuri Guso Hi Kalingli. Chemical Har Kikala Mushichin Manada SHG Federation We Ungmina Vashumna Hang. Taluwi Hanam Aragazanga Chanam Achukum Keji Ting Jishat Kada Sampanga da Hanga. Shuri Guso Panit Pauhi Aze Bureau Wiaina Samkapangna. Article 371 Sili Mika High Special Provision Ngak Mikawai All Tribal Students Union Manipurna Manipur Governor Chief Minister Hill Area Committee with Chairman Li Memorandum Misanghaira. Recognition of Village Maramli 2008 Pai Gajangwe Tarik Magada Turuktang Revenue Principal Secretary Revenue na Kashok Kala 2022 Kaying Tarik Magada Kanithang Village Recognition Rules in Hill Areas and Valley Retrieval Sakwai Cabinet Subcommittee Kase Maramli Tribal Affairs and Hills we Additional Chief Secretary na Jizu Kami Kashokji Revoke Salu Ngachelo Kjihi Etsam na Pohera Hangda Kale Shorkarwe, Jizu Kamiji, Nguchemi, Revoke Samida Article 371 Sili Mikahai, Mushunji Zatnang Saklo Gina. At some President Pau Ting Tang, Lupeng Aina, General Secretary SR, Andriana, Shuaisada, Mi Shok Kahai, Memorandum Chili Kahang, Hill Areas Committee, HAC Hi Kapungwi Maramli, Yang Sang Kawai, Sem Kahaina. Ka Hangahai Shorkarna, Jizu Kamiji Kupungli, Sagaz Lehaukada, J jurisdiction Makan Hairakaja, Maram J HAC Ling Sanlaga Shok, Maning Manada Hanga. At some Nagahang, Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms Act 1960 Kala, Chiwi Rules 1961 G, Hill Areas Li Marata Paimana. Jidada Sada Principal Secretary Revenue na Order G, Mikawai Authority Malaymana. At some Nagahang Article 371 Sili Mikahai Atishuda Central Aina State Shoka Revenue Department Sangda Kupungwingale Karangahong Maramle Marazang Paimana Gajihi Hanga. Department of DA and Hills HAC na Mangasanla Jidada Jizu Kami Mushok Paimana da at some na Hangsanga. Village in Hill Areas we Maramhi HAC na Yang Sangrana da Hangsanga. Achahong Kachang Kupsang Kahai Thrada Kakhane Manipur State Assembly Election we Maramli Petition Thumrada Turuk Thasang Haidale. Chiwing Chile Petitions Turuk Kwisang Haira Thrada Akana Motion Sadale. Thrada Jukova List Masaranga Jia. Maramhi Manipur Joint Chief Electoral Officer Li Manipur High Court Registrana Ajontang Kapi Khawali Kachitena. Election petition Thasang Kahai Jili 44 Ukrul AC, 15 Wangkai AC, 27 Moirang AC, 17 Lamshang AC, 5 Tongju AC, 37 Kakjing AC, 4 Kiartrikwa AC, 20 Langtabal AC, 6 Kerau AC, 26 Vishnupur AC, 8 Lamlai AC, 21 Nauria Pakhanglakpa AC, 9 Thangmaiban AC, 29 Kumbi AC, 7 Andro AC, 34 Wangjing AC, 41 Jandil AC, 60 Singkhat AC, 30 Lilong AC, 22 Wangai AC, 55 Tibaimuk AC, 25 Oinam AC, 33 Herok AC, 36 Wabkai AC, 43 Pungyar AC, 3 Kurai AC, 51 Saitu AC, 1 Kundrai Pam AC, Kala 46 Cycle AC Hipping Hi Zangdale. Petitions Thasang Kahai Pingji, Section 80, 80A, 81, 84, 101 the MLA's Kapangaka election ni challenge Kasana da Hanga. Election Saga highly challenge Kasamaram Gachali, nomination paper li Magacha, personal maram, Pongran Magapong, income Ungazang, Chitekran, Magachite, criminal FIR case Panhai the Kalemaram Magahang, Katam Kashimaram, Matada Magachite, educational qualification with affidavit Maghamushung Kasang. polling gasa atamle shei ka khut ma khamushung ara shigujin booth capture gasa higatha hina maram sa da election sa ka haide challenge sa da khalena assembly constituencies kai khawe aina petition akhali langda thagasang la leya 44 ukrul ACW maningla constituencies katei pingwe petition je candidates maninga kha intending candidates pingna thagasang serna da hanga horticulture hili langphai khawai apong mathalak aina leya kala manipur khlata khangrin state ngasa khawai state will lansin aina health sector le ngchongi kchi hili horticulture na khamataya shuru khwipaya da chief minister biren singh na hang ayen na makhamaya pobi lui khawa maramle saklak aina hangda pobi khling kala nisha arya rai lei ksali state chogana mamaya marada chief minister biren hang mathina Kupungwak pobi lui wada langphai da khalai bingna apong gatei phalo gji hi hangda athumna langphai khawai apong ga phale sarkar na la ngjon mi ra da biren hang sarkar na hiwiwang committee semda athumna ki khum maili pobi ling sang le khala kjila phasogra darga sa kha hill area committee maninga kha revenue department ka thale ngasan laga organizations kai khalila shijinra da hang Horticulture and Soil Conservation Additional Chief Secretary PY Phainala Machan Sangda Kahang Popi Ling Sangda Khlaipingna Ochi Ngasam Khawai Sarkali Ralu Farming Programs Apongate Sakwi Khawai Sarkali Khangjon Polo da Kasatsanga Additional CSG na Kahang Lotakwi Phumdis hi Agriculture Farming le Nutrients Sada Shijin Khawai Study la Sada Detailed Project Report la Semhai Rochia Rongmai Naga Students Organization with President aina Vice President GUF NNBG we aina lupa lak phanga khuya da social media li pau chathaira Maram chiwiwang ning kamai go ho akhale Rongmai Naga Students Organization explanation call ho haira Phaisa khuya da pen da khlai chiwi songjan psycho re khura khawai long jina jizmi haira COVID-19 atamli donation sada GUF NNBG Waina Rongmai Naga Students Organization with President Adai Khangmai Kala Vice President Kan Rongmai Anina Lupa Lak Phanga Khuya da Hangda Khlena Khaji Mamushung Mana da organization jinang Hankai Pauje Achagajang Tarik Magada Thuruk Thang Rongmai WhatsApp group li Sangapokna Chile Katimna Kangmaina Administration Kasingna Paumo Mushunglela Thaklak aina ngayang rok hauda kathana pingjili mai shing sakhaira da Rongmai Naga Students Organization hanga Hill Areas Committee with Chairman MLA Dinganglung Kangmaina None District Nungba Subdivisional Headquarters li Shokar Office Pinkala Developmental Projects Singada Khlewe Kushogazang Wayang Sanghaira None we Additional Deputy Commissioner Steve Kabudang aina former ADC member Khengbao Kangmai Anila inspection gazadli ngosowaya athumna Sabafna Mandap Community Hall Nungba Higher Secondary School SDO BDO Office Watershed Guest House Kala Community Health Center we kusogazang wayang haira Contractors pingna ot sagasale MLA Dinganglung Kangmaina Ningyang Mukhung Phongshok haira Sarkarna red mi ka haile magashungna sadalei da hanghaira ot sing khwika da khlai Contractors in charge pingna sakubran sakup khawai kala quality standard shuda atam chada sakublo the HAC chairman china hanghaira Aya Jingthan Lam Imphal Naga Mambale bom khango wi pau samphanga Police na kahang bom ji Jingthan Lam pungkuthum makhai shikali spare parts dukan akhwi mangale khangokna Kala mahailak aina misa gazama leimana dukan ji Prakash Shatri go ho akhawina ocho jile dukan we khamong kala chuwing lemle legasa karya kha marlak aina saja hawachia pau hi sam ka phangai na tangda pomji khibana haimi khala khibana kha claim ka sama leimana Manipur Health Department of Miami ka high attitude Imphal East Kwerengeli khlai Catholic Medical Center la AP PMJAY shichin ka paile changhaira Arishang Jili Specialties General Medicine, General Surgery, Otorhinolaryngology, Kala Obstetrics and Gynecology li Khayang Tharan, AP PMJAY Shichin Pai Kahaina. Catholic Medical Center Kashu Aina CMC de Lagazat Arishang Jili, AP PMJAY State Incentive 10% da Mira da Hang. Lat Lushida Ajwi Kamataya Baobing. TNL Green Day Mayonda Pobi Kling Maram Lilang San Haira Kachiko District Level Shuri Kuso Panit Mayon Haira Mission Organic Value Chain Department with Direct Benefit Transfer Hapok Haira Achu pau henang chang hairo pau ngana da klein thum sai ko rele ring pha kla kham haya jing show ngsa serano